The bobolink, Dolichonyx oryzivorus, is a small migratory songbird native to North America, known for its striking black and white breeding plumage and bubbling metallic song that has been compared to the robotic sounds of R2D2 from Star Wars. Males sing a series of twinkling, buzzy notes during flight displays over grasslands and hayfields, especially during breeding season. This bird travels long distances, migrating over 12,000 miles round trip between its breeding grounds in Canada and the northern United States and its wintering areas in South America.